Jake, can I tell you something embarrassing?
Please do. I love embarrassing stories.
Last year, I had a video call interview for a remote job. I was so nervous. My voice was shaking. I kept saying, and I apologized like 10 times.
Let me guess, you didn't get the job?
Exactly. And the feedback was that I seemed uncertain and lacking confidence, even though I was totally qualified.
That's brutal. But I've been there. Confidence in English is almost as important as English ability itself.
Right. So I spent months figuring out how to sound confident even when I'm nervous inside. Want to hear what I learned?
Absolutely. This is practical advice everyone needs.
Okay. Technique number 1, use definitive language instead of wishy-washy words.
What's the difference?
Instead of, I think maybe I could possibly help with that, say, I can help with that. Remove the hedging words.
So cut out maybe, possibly, perhaps, kind of?
Exactly. These words make you sound unsure. Americans associate confidence with clear, direct statements.
Give me more examples.
Instead of, I'm not sure, but I think the answer might be, say the answer is. Even if you're not 100% certain, state it confidently.
And if you're wrong?
Then you correct yourself. Actually, I need to revise that. The answer is, confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about how you present information.
This is a game changer. What's technique 2?
Speak slightly slower than feels natural. Fast, rushed speech signals nervousness. Slow, measured speech signals confidence.
Really? I always thought speaking faster showed fluency.
It shows you can speak quickly, but not necessarily that you're confident. Watch American leaders give speeches. They pause, they take their time, they let words land.
So slowing down makes you sound more authoritative?
Yes. Plus, it gives you time to think and choose better words, and it's easier for others to understand you.
2 benefits. What's technique 3?
Lower your pitch slightly. Higher, pitched, fast speech sounds anxious. Lower, steadier pitch sounds confident and calm.
Is this true for both men and women?
Yes. Obviously, everyone has different natural ranges, but within your range, aim for the lower, fuller tones rather than higher, thinner tones.
How do you practice this?
Record yourself speaking. Listen back. Notice when your pitch rises, usually when nervous. Practice speaking the same content in a slightly lower, calmer register.
Interesting. What's technique 4?
Use fuss-strong body language even on video calls. Sit up straight, make eye contact with the camera, and use hand gestures to emphasize points.
Body language affects how confident you sound, not just how you look?
Absolutely. Your body posture actually changes your voice quality. Slouching makes your voice weaker. Sitting up straight opens your chest and makes your voice fuller.
So physical confidence creates vocal confidence?
Yes, there's research on this. Power poses actually boost confidence hormones. Stand or sit confidently, and you'll sound more confident.
What's technique 5?
Use fillers strategically. Don't eliminate all fillers. That sounds robotic, but choose better fillers.
What are better fillers?
Instead of like, use so, well, you know, I mean. These sound more natural and less uncertain.
So, signals hesitation, but so signals transition.
Exactly. So here's what I think sounds much more confident than, I guess, like, maybe.
And these professional fillers buy you thinking time without sounding nervous?
Yes, even native speakers need thinking time. The key is using fillers that sound intentional, not scattered.
What's technique 6?
Own your non-native status without apologizing. Don't start conversations with, sorry, my English isn't good.
I used to do this all the time.
Most people do, but that immediately signals insecurity. Instead, if you need to clarify something, just ask directly. Can you rephrase that? Or let me make sure I understand correctly.
So you're not apologizing for your English, you're just ensuring clear communication.
Exactly. And here's the truth. Many native English speakers appreciate non-native speakers who communicate clearly over native speakers who mumble or use unclear language.
Communication effectiveness matters more than perfect grammar?
In real-world situations, absolutely. What's technique 7? Maya. Prepare power phrases for common situations. Have go-to expressions ready so you don't have to think on the spot.
Like what kind of phrases?
For meetings, that's a great point. Let me build on that. Here's how I see it. I'd like to suggest.
For job interviews?
I'm excited about this opportunity because my experience includes, I'd approach this by, that's a great question. Here's my perspective.
These become automatic responses that sound professional?
Yes, you're not memorizing scripts, but you have frameworks ready. This removes the anxiety of searching for words under pressure.
Let me ask about a specific scenario. What if someone asks a question and you don't know the answer?
Great question. Confident people admit when they don't know something, but they do it assertively. Say, I don't have that information right now, but I can find out and get back to you by tomorrow.
Not, I don't know, sorry, I'm not sure.
Exactly. You're acknowledging the gap in knowledge while showing you'll take action to address it. That's confidence.
And what if you make a mistake in English? Wrong word, bad grammar?
Quick self-correction without drama. I mean, or rather, or to clarify, and then move on immediately. Don't dwell on it.
So you acknowledge the error briefly, but don't make it a big deal.
Right. Confident speakers make mistakes and correct them smoothly. Insecure speakers either don't correct and get misunderstood, or apologize excessively and lose credibility.
Let's practice this. I'll give you a scenario and you show me the confident response.
Okay, hit me.
You're in a meeting and someone asks your opinion on a topic you're not familiar with.
That's outside my area of expertise, but from a general perspective, I'd say give thoughtful, general response. I'd be happy to research this further and provide a more informed opinion later.
Nice. You didn't fake knowledge, but you still contributed thoughtfully. My turn. You accidentally used the wrong word and the other person looks confused.
Let me rephrase that. What I meant to say was, correct version. Does that make sense now?
Smooth. No apology, just efficient correction. Here's a tough one. You're speaking and completely forget a word mid-sentence.
I'm looking for the right word here. Describe it. Yes, word. Or if it doesn't come, what's the word for description?
Asking for the word directly is okay?
Absolutely. It shows you're actively engaged in clear communication. That's confidence. Being silent and stuck is what signals insecurity.
These are also practical. Now let's talk about mindset. How do we build internal confidence, not just external appearance?
Huge question. First, reframe mistakes as data. Every error tells you what to learn next. It's not failure, it's feedback.
So instead of, I'm so bad at English, you think, I just learned this word doesn't work in this context.
Exactly. Second mindset shift, focus on communication success, not linguistic perfection. Did your message get across? Then you succeeded.
Even if your grammar wasn't perfect?
Yes, the goal of language is communication, not grammatical perfection. If you communicated effectively, you won.
What's the third mindset shift?
Remember that most English speakers worldwide are non-native. You're part of the majority. English belongs to everyone who uses it, not just native speakers.
So don't hold yourself to impossible native speaker standards?
Right. Aim for clear, effective communication. That's the standard that actually matters in the real world.
I want to address accent insecurity. A lot of people are self-conscious about their accent.
This is huge. Here's the truth. Accents are normal and fine. Many successful international professionals have strong accents, and it doesn't limit them.
As long as you're understandable.
Exactly. Focus on clear pronunciation of key sounds, but don't obsess about sounding exactly like an American or British person.
And many Americans actually find accents interesting and charming.
Yes, confidence with your accent is more attractive than insecurity about it. Own your voice.
Let's give everyone practical homework. What should they practice this week?
Record yourself speaking for 2 minutes about any topic. Listen back and identify which techniques we discussed you're already using and which you need to work on.
So, self-awareness first.
Yes. Then pick 2 techniques to focus on. Maybe it's removing and slowing down, or using definitive language and better fillers.
Don't try to fix everything at once.
Exactly. Master 2 techniques this week, add 2 more next week. In a month, you'll sound dramatically more confident.
And what about practicing with other people?
Start with low-stakes conversations. Casual chats with language exchange partners, commenting on social media if you're in an English-speaking environment.
Build confidence in easier situations before high-pressure ones.
Yes, each successful interaction builds your confidence for the next one. It's cumulative.
And final question, what's the